What's up? Welcome back, you guys. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to get Coinbase downloaded onto your phone. So what you want to do is open up the App Store app on your iPhone, and you're going to search for Coinbase. All right. Once you find Coinbase, you don't want to download the wallet here. We just want to download the Coinbase Trade Bitcoin ETH SHIB, and we're going to go ahead and either download it or update it. And once that's done, you will see it pop up on your iPhone. For me, it is updating in here. You're going to want to locate it, and then once it's downloaded, you're going to go ahead and open it and go on to the next step. I'm going to be recording a video tutorial on how to set up an account next, so make sure to check that out.